So somebody is submitting a complaint against this Airbnb. She says the all-you-can-eat buffet keeps getting blocked. I didn't have this door open all the way, and she managed to squeeze through and get a few pieces. But what do you think she's interested in? She was out while I redid the bed portion of this Airbnb. Oh. We're back today. My back brace is on again. So what are you thinking, Phoebe? I don't think you can squeeze under there. Good try, though. Yeah. We gotta build up those muscles before you can do stuff like crawl around under doors. Yeah, it's a bit slippy in here. Good girl, though. How are you doing? Good girl. Aren't you? Oh, good girl. You're so pretty. Get it. Get it. Oh, good girl. Good girl. You saved me. See, it stopped. Good job. Good girl. You gonna work on your salad, or are you just gonna spread it out around again? She had trashed her place. Yes, you bathroomed everywhere you could. You spilled your foods everywhere you could. How's it going, baby? You know, it's nasty out. You chose a very good day to be stuck inside. Yeah, you're getting used to coming inside. You've been in here a few times, haven't you, sweetheart? Yeah, you're gonna check one more time just in case I open the cat food for you again. Phoebe? All right, you go do your thing, girl.